GZ Dub channel here, and I'm here with my dad.
Hey.
Yeah, can't really see his face too well. It's pretty dark out, so I'm gonna try to light the way. There's a street light. So it's kind of dark right now. So my dad, he found something amazing.
We found some beavers that had been chewing down trees in our neighborhood.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go find and show you where they've been chopping down trees, trying to make the creek flood.
And we don't really have any. We don't really see any beavers here.
Yeah, you don't really see them around here, but we're
Yeah,
gonna
where
show
we
you
live.
evidence that there are some.
Yeah.
All right. See you soon.
All right. See ya.
Walking along now, we're starting to look for some of the trees have already been gnawed off. And if you can see up here, look at there.
Oh wow.
Look at that.
That is. Oh
That
man.
is a busy beaver.
Oh wow.
And look, that one's already been sawed.
Oh.
Look at that.
Dang.
That one's already been gnawed off. And you can tell that's not. Look at the teeth marks. You can tell that's not a saw.
Hold on.
Those are teeth marks.
Look at that. Those are teeth marks. Those are.
So, even though we live in a neighborhood, it's kind of crazy how beavers have been trying to dam up the small. Oh, look at this, Grant. That is so cool. Looks like it's really
Looks like a steak.
Looks like they left a pencil right there.
Or a steak. You know.
Wouldn't that be cool if a beaver just attacked us?
No, that would not be cool. Well, I'm gonna pick
They've
that
got
up.
really sharp teeth. They would really hurt.
Oh yeah.
Can you hold that?
No, I got this. Oh, that's heavy. Hold on. Yeah, please hold that. Oh, look, a golf ball.
Oh, yeah.
It's stuck in the ground. Hold this for me. I'm gonna pick it up. So, we found this. Well, I really found it so.
Looks like a giant pencil.
Yeah, and it smells like mud. Like wet mud.
Yeah.
Okay, so, yeah, it's pretty cool.
Looks like a pencil there at the end.
Yeah.
And let's see, is the other side chewy?
Oh,
look
yeah.
at they chewed both sides.
They chewed both sides to get to it. Wow.
And look at this.
Oh yeah, they've been working.
They're working on another tree.
Yeah.
Literally, those are some busy beavers.
So, how about this?
And there's all the shavings.
Oh yeah. How about this? We come back tomorrow to see how much more damage has been done.
All right.
That is
Well, for GZ Dub channel, this is Dad. Oh my gosh, they're everywhere. They're cracking me up. For GZ Dub channel, this is GZ Dub's dad.
All right. Look at those teeth marks.
We're out.